Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to clear search history on YouTube. It's super easy and we'll make sure you'll get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. First, you have to open YouTube, then click on upper right corner, click on your data in YouTube, select an account. Now scroll down. You can see YouTube search history. Scroll down. Now click on Manage your YouTube history. Now click on Delete. Now click on Delete all time. Now click on Delete. Click on Got it. From doing this, you can delete all your YouTube search history. I hope you found value in this video. If you want to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers, and want to get exclusive coupons, spinning and wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essentials, then watch the video you are seeing on the end screen. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck.